And the winner of the Highways Maintenance Efficiency Award, sponsored by Kia, goes to London Borough of Croydon, Thames Water, SGN, Atkins and Fluxx.
It means an awful lot. We worked very hard on this. It's the culmination of about a year to a year and a half of work. Obviously, it couldn't have been done without the cooperation of the utility companies that we worked with and Atkins and Fluxx as well. There's an awful lot of good work being done in the industry, and as was actually said earlier tonight, you can do everything right 99% of the time, and the one time you get it wrong, that's when you hear all the complaints. So to have it recognised that actually, no, we do actually do something right once in a while is really important. And also, the other thing is, ultimately, what we're doing is improving people's lives. It's a very high bar to clear to get here. Just getting here means you've done something that's going to make a real difference. Whether or not you get an award, obviously it's really nice to get one, but just making that difference, making that effort is really what we need, because if everyone makes an effort, then everyone wins.